I'm Marianne Whitaker, and I teach AP Calculus AB.
You definitely need to know how to do like critical thinking, because on tests, like not all the questions are going to be exactly like homework problems. So you need to like be able to apply what you learned.
I'd say you definitely need to have some interest in math and a good like foundation in algebra and trig, and should also be like hardworking and like persistent in solving like problems.
I think the most important skill is probably like taking thorough notes and applying what you've learned in the homework. Like do your homework every single day and then apply those problems to like the test.
It's really geared as an advanced level math course for students who have a true interest in math, students who enjoy the challenge of higher level critical thinking type problems. You know, you learn concepts and then it's not like every single problem is the same, but they apply them to a variety of different types of problems, including, real world problems. So students have to be able to work independently, show initiative, follow through, not give up when they come to a problem that looks kind of difficult, but really spend the time to work through it and connect a lot of concepts that they learned in prior level courses to the new material that we're learning in Calc AB. Roughly, I'd say probably 45 minutes to an hour. Sometimes the students have time in class to get started. Sometimes, again, longer or shorter assignments, or if they're studying for a test, they might want to put in more time.
Like around like half an hour.
Probably like 30 to 45 minutes.
I'd say like nightly it's not too much because you only have like probably like half an hour to 45 minutes for like homework, but studying overall it's probably like adds up to like an hour a night maybe.
And it is like time consuming, so you have to be able to like have the time to study and like do the work, or else you're not gonna get it.
I think because like this year I'm taking 3 APs. I'm taking AP Calculus, AP French, and A Push. Also, I'm the captain of the debate team, so like mixing all of it together, you should probably be prepared. Also, as a junior with like SATs, ACTs, and all that, AP classes, you should probably be prepared.
I think a time commitment, number one, there can be sometimes frustration for students who don't have a real strong math background or a real good grasp of the concepts that they've learned in prior level math classes. This class really integrates a lot of things that the students have learned before. And unlike most high school level classes that do a lot of review, this course expects the kids to remember concepts from geometry or algebra 1 or trigonometry and incorporate them along with homework problems. So I think that for students who really don't have that love of math and willing to spend the time working on it, it can be very frustrating when they're committed to a lot of other activities or AP courses.
Well, you definitely need time, like especially for studying and like memorizing formulas. So if you're taking like a lot of other like APs and honors, or if you have like a lot of extracurricular activities, it's like hard to manage your time, but it's like doable.
I mean, it's helped me like think about problems differently, because they're definitely like harder than other problems than you've ever seen. Like they're different types of problems. So I mean, you have to be able to like think differently.
I think one of the coolest things into the class is like, because I'm taking physics as well, is like seeing how all like science and math kind of intertwines. Like how like in physics you can see like position, velocity, and acceleration are all like derivatives of each other. So like it's kind of cool to like mix it all together. Also with like coding, you use math and science as well. So it's like, I guess with all these classes you can see how like all of these academics things all intertwine together and make sense.
I definitely think that it helped me like get more organized.
I love the fact that it's very comprehensive, that really truly it does tie together so many things that the students have learned throughout the years, and it applies to a lot of real life problems. So often as a math teacher, I'm asked when am I ever going to use this in real life? And calculus does that for you.